Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add Facebook to your Mac dock so you can launch it just like a regular app. Let's jump right in. First, open Safari. You can do that by clicking the Safari icon in your dock, or by using Spotlight Search. Just press Command plus space, type Safari, and hit Enter. Now head over to facebook.com and sign in if you haven't already. Next, look at the top of your screen and click File in the Safari menu bar. Then select Add to Dock. You'll see a small pop-up that lets you rename the shortcut. You can keep it as Facebook or call it whatever you want. Once you're ready, just click Add, and done. You should now see the Facebook icon in your dock, right alongside your other apps. Here's the cool part. When you click on it, Facebook will open in a dedicated app-like window, completely separate from Safari. You can even close Safari, and Facebook will stay open on its own. That's it. You now have Facebook added to your Mac dock like a standalone app. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button and consider subscribing for more Mac tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.